Hey friends, I want to give you guys a closer look at these insulated long riding pants made by Rockbros. These are designed for kind of a mountain biking experience, maybe a commuting in a colder environment. We got them for fat tire riding here in Colorado. We do a lot of that with a bunch of snow on the ground. And so I needed a warmer pant that had all of the features, durability, and could withstand some good riding conditions here. Now I got them in size large. I am normally a size 34 waist, and these actually fit really well for me. On the inside, you can see they have this thermal kind of lining. And again, they do feel pretty warm when they are on. They also have these straps on the bottom where you can tighten around your shoe a bit more. Now we typically wear larger boots when we're riding fat tire bikes. So these actually were able to slide over my larger Salomon boots just fine. Worked out really well. You can also see this mesh lining right here. This adds a little bit of airflow around your thighs and knee area, and it's pretty subtle, so you can see it has a little bit of that red interior stitching, but again, from a distance you really can't see too much. It does have, again, the label over here on this side of the pant. It has a drawstring on top, an elastic waistband, and then as you can see, again, more of that thermal lining interior. On the back, it has another one of these flex areas where you can see a little bit more room. And then it has these zipper pockets on the side. So overall, it looks like some pretty decent pants. They are a little bit crunchy, I guess is the best way of describing it. So they're not the most super comfortable thing to wear, but they are flexible. It seems like they're gonna have a lot of durability for trail wear for us. So I'm excited to give them a try. Hopefully that closer look helps with your buying decision. Again, we'll put some links in the description box below if you'd like to pick it up on Amazon. Subscribe because we've got a bunch more mountain bike product review videos coming out soon to help make your buying decision just a little bit easier. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again on the next one.